In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and choose display. Now scroll down again, tap on easy mode over here and click on this word next to easy mode feature to activate it. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to turn it off, you can do that by going into settings, tapping on display again, scrolling down and choosing easy mode. But this time tap on the blue switcher and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!